Hello roses, I hope you're doing wonderful. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to use the new Procreate file for the Elisa character. My name is Olivia. I help crafters and creatives and artists and creative folks in general express a unique creative attitude. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I am in Procreate. This is what you're going to receive when you're going to purchase, depending on the set that you want to purchase. This week we have brunettes, black skin, and blondes. Next week there will be more, so no worries, you'll all be covered here. So what I've done is that I divided them by skin colors and hair color and all that, so that you don't have to mess up with some of the settings too much. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is Elisa, the blonde version. So this is how the groups look like. So I named them, but I wanted to show you especially the hair types, because sometimes you have a front layer, so for the face, the front, and then behind the body. So you might have hair groups separated that way. So don't panic, just play with it. You'll find how it is set up. So let's see all the hairdos, and then we'll go through all the different features. So this is the updo. So as you can see, so you have the hair, the top hair here, as you can see, and then you have another one that you can turn on and off, up to you, which is the updo, but the neck hair. You know, the little hair on the neck. So you can remove it if you like, or you can add it. But this is below the face and before the body. So sometimes you're going to have to play with it to find where it's located. But obviously, logically, it would be behind, below, the layer would be below the face and just before the body. Okay, so this is one of the updo. You can also remove the back hair. It looks really cute, very evening-like, so I do like it. Then you have what I would call model hair. So this, she can be bold too if you like that look. She can have model hair. So model hair, like straight wavy hair. So that's the layer on top of the head. Yeah, I live in, you know where I live, guys. So there's chickens and stuff, sorry. And then you have the model hair back hair. So this hair. So as you can see, you need to have the both on for it to make sense. So this is the model hair. You have the same type of hair for every skin tone, so don't worry. So let's remove this one. Then you have short hair. So the same goes for short hair. You can have short hair like this, or you can have little hair at the back of the neck. So short hair back, and you have little bits of hair at the back of the neck. Maybe I'm going to put the background so it'll be more visible. So that's that. You can choose to have it or not to have it. It's absolutely up to you. Then you have one of the most tricky ones. You have a mix of the updo and kind of a hair down top of hairstyle. So let me do that. So she doesn't have a face anymore. So that's the updo. And then you have the updo back hair 01, which is like this. And you have another one which is just below the face and features. And so you need to have 3 features on to have this particular hairdo. Okay, so just play with it, see how it is laid out. But basically, this is how the hair kind of matches up here. So another thing that I want you to really grasp is that I already defined the hair color. I don't suggest you to change it. Blonde is blonde after all. You can change it if you want, but it's not simple to find the right shade of blonde. So this is a shade of blonde that I find pretty, and it works with a skin tone. Same goes with the skin tones. I will give you palettes for blondes and skin tones and things, but it's still not that easy to use and utilize. So I would say, to my opinion, stick with whatever hair color is there. If you want to play with it, have fun with it, I would say duplicate the original project and then, have a blast. Change everything, make her hair red, whatever it is you want to do, okay? So now let's look at the hair colors, the eye colors that you might want to change. So you're going to go to face and features here, or faces, depending on the group you have. And you're going to go to eyes opened, okay? And so what you can change is usually put on alpha lock. So what you're going to do is pick a color. So let's say you want her to have blue eyes. So I recommend a blue that is quite ashy. You don't want kind of like a bright blue unless you want to make it look like an alien. But if you want to make it look natural, I would recommend a more ashy blue. So just as usual, guys, click on Iris and then click on Fill Layer. Always make sure that it's on alpha lock. Okay? And then you can change the color that way. It's super, super easy, guys. I don't recommend to change anything else in that particular case. You can change the lashes colors. For blondes, I make her lashes brown, dark brown. I found it softer, but you can go for black if you want. And you can also add glasses. I added glasses at the top, just written glasses. Just click on glasses, and now she has glasses on. What you can also do with glasses, which is fun, is to color the actual glasses, actual glass in the glasses. So let's say that I want her to have pink shade glasses, sunglasses. I can choose pink and then colored glass here. So Fill Layer, make sure alpha lock is on, just click on Fill Layer. So what you want to do then is play with the transparency. So just go like this, as transparent as you want. But if you want her to have fun pink glasses, then you can do that. You can also change the frame, of course. Fill Layer, it has pink glasses. And then if you want to work on definition, remember, go down the color wheel and click on Fill Layer. And then adjust the opacity. That's it. She has beautiful pink glasses. So I'm going to just go back to the original. There you go. Okay. So as you can see, it's super simple to use. Now what you can also do is change her lips, because she has two types of lips. She has, she has a slight smile on like this one, or she has kind of a more rested lip like this one. It's also super cute, I think, and you can also obviously change the lip color as you want, okay? So making it, I don't know, pinker or whatever it is you want to do there. You can do whatever you want. All right? So what you can do, of course, is change her outfits. So let's see what different outfits she can have on. So this is the cute casual. What I've done is try to create as little layers as I could possibly do it, okay? So what you're gonna have to do with this one is to color separately. So for example, if you want to color the top, just grab a brush, a big brush, round brush, and then color, because it's already on alpha lock normally. Let me just see that. It's already on alpha lock. Click on main here and then just color it that way. Okay? And so you can't just do color, fill color, because it's going to color the trousers too. You can obviously color the trousers as you like, but that's not a problem. But what you have to do then, so let's say I want to color the trousers in khaki, like a green color. So I'm going to do that. Okay, just color it manually with my Apple Pencil. Then what you do for definition, again, Rose, is always the same. Go down the color wheel and color. There's a second one too on top. Just color it through. So if it's too strong, you can always lower the opacity. So what you want to do is for the top is to go down again and then color it like this, and then do the same with the layer above. If it's too light, go down again so that you get a bit more definition. So as you can see, you can change it. There are shoes also, so I'm going to go back to the original color. You can also color her shoes. So just above, written shoes. So change the color here, super easy as usual. Go to main, fill layer, make sure it's on alpha lock. Same thing for definition. Go down the color wheel for definitions, everything that's darker, like a shadow. Click on your layer, click on fill layer. Make sure it's on alpha lock. Play with the opacity if it's too dark. Okay? Super, super simple, Roses. Not complicated. If you want to change the hair color, go ahead and do that. I don't recommend it. This blonde is pretty nice. It matches the skin tones. I don't recommend it, but if that's what you want to do, go ahead and have a blast. Just duplicate the particular project file so that you can have one where you have fun and change everything and do whatever, and keep an original one for when you're in a hurry and want to make sure she's always going to look good. So this is the casual outfit. Then you have another, which is a lady dress kind of thing. So same things, you can change the color of the dress at will. Same thing. Click on your main layout. Click on fill layer. One is an alpha lock, and you have a beautiful red dress. Isn't she pretty and beautiful? So I'm going to go back to what she was like. We don't want her naked. And then you have a bikini also. So a bikini, remove the shoes, I recommend, and then remove the cute and casual and add the bikini. And there she has a bikini. You can change the color as you want, change the hair. You can have sunglasses, so it's very easy. Go to glasses. Pick a dark color of your choice. I would say I like dark brown. I think it looks pretty nice. I like a warmer dark brown, maybe. Let's see. Something like that. I'm going to go to glasses. I'm going to go to glass and click on fill layer. And then what I'm going to do is play with the transparency and make sure it's kind of like half opaque. So you can see her blue eyes. So now she's ready for the beach. So I really like that. You can again change her hair. So let's remove the long hair. And let's give her short hair. Let's see, short hair. So let's remove all the rest. Remember for the previous hairdo, you have three layers to turn on, all right? So that's the short hair. She's ready for the beach. So what I'm going to do is also add some little hair at the back of her neck to make it more casual. And there you go. So this is simply how you use it. Then export it. You remove the background. Click on share on PNG. Save image. And that's it. It's in your camera roll. And you can use it in your planner or anywhere else. So that's it, guys. It's super simple to use. Have a play, have fun with it. It's not complicated, guys. It's super easy. You can change. She can have 3 or 4 different hairdos, 3 different outfits. You know, you can create more outfits if you like on top of her bodies. If you know how to use Procreate, you can do that. And so super easy. She can have colored glasses, no colored glasses. It's absolutely up to you. She can have, just put that back. So yeah, so it's super easy to use. You can change the lips and change the color of the lipstick and things like that. Oh, another thing that I forgot. She can also have closed eyes. So to do that, super simple. You go to face and features. Face, depending on which file you have. And then you untick eyes opened and you just tick eyes closed. Super easy. You don't need to touch anything else, okay? It's all done for you. What you can do is change the eyeshadow maybe, so you have a bit of eye definition here. Let's see, maybe more in the face. No, that's not the one. In eyes closed. So open eyes closed and you have definition here when she can have a different eyeshadow. So let's put blue as an eyeshadow. And there you go. Let's see. For this one, let's go darker blue. And she can have a little bit of eyeshadow. It's a little bit much. She's going out tonight for sure. But if you want her to have a little bit of eyeshadow, eyes closed, you can do that. You can also do a little bit of purple if you're into eyeshadows. Did you guys know that I'm a super good makeup artist? I used to work for magazines and stuff. Just little side notes here. Anyway, so this is a nice little look. If she wants to go clubbing or something, you can change her lips here. And she looks fantastic and amazing. For eyes open, it's a little bit more complex because she doesn't have that much lid space. But eyes closed, you can have fun and maybe show your little eyeshadow look or something. But anyway, you can have fun and you can create a wonderful, high-quality sticker. Super easily and super fast. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this demo. I hope that you will enjoy using this new Procreate file. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to join us on Facebook, Instagram. Our handle is @Progipad. Visit our store, www.progipad.com. Stay tuned for more, guys. There's so much more coming in the future. You're going to love it. And I will see you in the next video. Be creative, be productive. See you guys. Bye.